in business since 1968. It's a family-owned business run by my father and a couple of partners. We have 12 locations throughout Long Island, New York, and Connecticut.
We had a bad run in the early 90s. Business was real tough, and Paul and I decided that with business real hard, we needed to invest in Surfside. And that's when we came up with barbecues and gave back to a lot of the customers. And when other marinas were going down, we were getting more occupancy by giving back to the consumer and fixing the marina up.
Any good dealership is dependent on the people that work for you. We try to keep a close-knit group. One of us is here every day. We're out in the yards, we're at all our locations, trying to constantly stay in touch with the employees on all levels. It's very important at our dealership at Surfside 3 to have our salesmen completely educated in the product and the pricing and the construction and all the aspects, features, benefits and features of the boat. I learned a long time ago it's not a good way to do is to knock your competition. You point out enough features and benefits that we know that the competition doesn't have. The customer's very sharp, they'll figure it out, and that's how we do our selling.
Being a family-owned business is another great tool because people like dealing with people. We're just a good-sized company, doing the right thing, striving to make people happy, and that's the key to success. I mean, when you go to boat shows or you come to the service counter, if that customer is not happy with the person he's dealing with, it's over.
I think it starts at the top. We're empowered as managers to take care of things on our own. We get a tremendous amount of sales training on how to qualify the purchaser, what boat to put them into. And if you really follow the very easy steps that Sea Ray gives you as a tool, you have the product, you've got the facilities, so it's really just a natural if you take your time and treat people like maybe you treat your mother. Instead of trying to take advantage, you sincerely help them. We have a tremendous selection at Surfside. The boats are always in stock. Trades are never a problem. We give very, very quick delivery, and our service is really the best in the tri-state area. We are one of the few dealers that travel to clients' boats routinely to make repairs.
Through Sea Ray and over the years of teaching the dealerships like us how to do business, we have enhanced many programs that no one else offers. That just makes us bigger and stronger than the other dealerships, and most people like to belong to something that's different and special, and I believe that's what put us in front of everybody in the industry.
Well, Sea Ray's our partner when it comes to boat sales, and our partner in our business, our main partner. Sea Ray's entire program with Getaways has brought us a cut above most of the competition. The parties, the events, the mailings, the promotions. They do so much more than other boat lines in the areas. It lets the customer get more than just buying a boat from Surfside or from Sea Ray. They get a lifestyle.
I think the brand is what drives the people to the dealerships. And by far, our brand, Sea Ray, is the best in the world. Good people, good company, good dealerships. And I think that's what's made us strong and being the leader in the industry for the last 10, 15 years.